So this is my favorite keyboard for my setup. I'm using it with two computers, with the Mac Mini M4 Pro as well as my gaming PC right here. The keyboard is the Keychron V6 Max. Been using this for the past couple months actually, I think, since like October, November. Anyways, great keyboard, love it. Slim design. I did recently replace the keycaps, went with the slim, low profile. Yeah, feels good. I got the red switches on this. I really like how they feel. Again, real nice slim design. Reminds me of my Logitech G915 that I had. I got the USB-C cable. That's going to my PC. I got the 2.4 gigahertz dongle going to the Mac. And you can see there, using that dongle. Yeah, I really like this keyboard. It is a plastic case, but I'm perfectly fine with that. And so this is what I've been using. This goes on both my computers. And here's how it sounds.